Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos, located right in the heart of San Jose del Cabo and on a beautiful beach. You're gonna love the resort and this particular suite. This is a Ziva Suite. Let me show you what it's all about. As soon as you come in the door, right next to it, you do have this eco-friendly feature where you have to have the key card in, otherwise the power's not gonna work, so just in case the lights don't turn on, that's probably what it is. This is the living room area. So you see this pulls out into a full queen size bed. And one of the things that I really appreciate about this particular suite is that there's a ton of separation of space, perfect for a family or a couple traveling together. Across from the TV, you have your flat panel TV, the first of two. You've got two chairs and a table in here. And because this can be used as a bedroom, you also have the first set of storage. So you have hanging storage, storage up above, and then you also have storage up and down here. Now, one little feature that I really like is that because this is a bed, right next to it, they have two USB plugs and a US plug that you can use to charge your device. And then of course, your remote control and your phone. As we head down the hallway, you're gonna find the first of the bathrooms. So you've got the toilet tucked around the corner here. You have a full large vanity, actually plenty of room to spread out right here. You've got that backlit magnifying mirror and more plugs as well. Right here, you've got the shower. You've got a rainforest shower head. I'm 6'6", so fit just underneath that. You also have a little nook here for your soaps. Continuing down the hallway, underneath here, you are going to find your fully stocked minibar. It'll be stocked upon arrival. You've got water, sodas, some beers, and some juice, and they can replenish that daily as you like. Just next, I wanted to point out that this does adjoin to another room. They definitely can get adjoining rooms for you. Make sure when you make the reservation, you let us know that that's something you're interested in. We'll do our best to get that set for you. So as we head into the master bedroom, I just wanted to point out one of my favorite features. That's a door that shuts off completely. I travel with my family. I love my family, but having a little bit of separation and privacy when we're on vacation is really a bonus for my wife and I. Now, right here, you're going to find the second of the bathrooms. Once again, a really massive vanity right here. You've got a single sink. You've got your scale underneath. I try to avoid that at all costs. And just across, you're gonna have the storage for the master bedroom. This is where you're gonna find your safe. You also have your hair dryer just inside there. And right here, you're gonna find more storage up above, your ironing board, and then more hanging storage as well. Continuing in, you'll see you have the large soaking tub. So this is a shower tub combo. It's actually a really, really big bathtub, which is a great advantage if you want to take a soak, or of course, if you're traveling with your family, it's great to be able to throw the kids in there. So now we're in the bedroom area. You can see you have a large, full king-size bed right here. Next to the bed, you're gonna have two USB plugs, a US plug. You also have your phone and your remote control. So you have another flat panel TV, even if you're traveling with as a couple. It's great to have those two separate spaces. Maybe somebody wants to take a nap, relax, and the other one needs to work in the other room. It's perfect for that. You've got storage up and down, also more plugs and USB plugs for charging. I know Taylor really likes that, especially when we're charging all the camera gear. Next to the other side of the bed, you have two USB plugs, a US plug, also a Bluetooth speaker, and then right on top, you have these two reading lights, so you don't have to disturb your partner when you're reading in the evening. So now we're gonna step out on the Juliet balcony right here. You can see the space right here. Now, one of the things about this suite is it is actually one of their entry-level rooms here. You are not guaranteed a view, that's important to know. Some have these great pool views. Others look at the kids club and the kids area as well. So just note that there's a phenomenal inside space, but you never quite know exactly what you're gonna get outside here. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any here at Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your Playa Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have a phenomenal relationship with them, and we know that we can help craft the vacation of a lifetime, your group, wedding, whatever it is you're looking for you, your friends, and your family at an incredible value.